Hi, let me show you the tool I made to export files from Quip to Markdown. The tool is called Quip Export. You can find it in this GitHub link. And if you scroll down, you'll see some nice features like exporting 500 files in 20 minutes, and you'll see the instructions. Essentially, how it works is you either clone this repository or you download it. You can do that here. You download it as a zip, and then you'll have to run 3 commands in your terminal. And this works in all operating systems. And essentially what it will do is navigate to your folders in Quip, and then essentially go here, export, and export as HTML. And then after that, you can transform them to Markdown and fetch as well the media. So let me show you the commands that I ran here in the terminal. I started with cloning into a folder. Yeah, it cloned, and then I ran the 3 commands. It was npm installed. You have to run to have node installed for this, and you can click in this little link here to get to the page where you can install node. And then you install Playwright, which is what will allow the program to automate your browser. And then when you do npm install start, this will open a new page with Quip, and you log in. And after it's logged in, it will auto-detect that login, and then afterwards we'll start exporting things. How it works really is by expanding the folders, all of them. Expand one, then expands the second one, and then it does it hierarchically, all the folders. And then after all the folders are expanded, it does that. It goes into the settings and then exports them. And it will do that for all your files. I had like 530. It did that for all of them, as you can see here. Many of them. Let me go to the end. And then after it was done, it failed like 2 of them because they said they were in the trash or something. But anyway, it literally was able to do for all of them. And then I ran this other command, which is also in the README, to convert them to Markdown. And how this ended up was in the exports, I have the exact structure as my README, as my Quip, with HTML files. You can see the private, it has the books, etc. And afterwards, after running that command, it will export those to Markdown documents. So if I go again to conference note or something, yeah, Markdown, and it would also create the media, which has images and others. And that's it. That's how it works. It's as simple as that. I hope it's useful to you, and give it a star on GitHub if it is, and I hope it is. Thanks.